Portable Induction Pro Cooktop 1800W by Fagor. The Portable Induction Pro Cooktop 1800W by Fagor is very powerful and versatile. What makes it different from other induction burners are its 8 user-friendly buttons that can easily be set for any particular cooking technique. These preset temperatures include simmering, warming, boiling, rapid boiling, sautéing, searing, stir-frying, and browning. These give you the exact temperature needed to cook your dishes perfectly. If you want to set your own temperature, you can choose from 140 to 465 degrees Fahrenheit. The digital display will show you the precise cooking temperature, and it can be adjusted in 10-degree increments. Despite using less energy, it can heat up easily and cook faster as compared to other stoves. This will certainly help you save time and money. It has a built-in timer that can be set from 1 minute to 180 minutes. Its glass surface is heat resistant, so you don't have to worry about a possible breakage.